Okay, so this is my code I use for the mass from the problem is 1800 kilograms, and the displacement is 3 centimeters, and the gravity is 9.81 meters per second. And how do I calculate the spring constant? For the force, I use the formula of mass times gravity, and the spring constant is force divided by the displacement. And for the critical damping coefficient, I use the formula 2 times mass square root spring constant times mass. So I'll try and run it. So the critical damping coefficient is 65,099.3. So that's the answer for the first problem. And then let's move on to the next problem. So I already made the code. So the constants are all the same from the last problem, and these are the formula that I use. This is for the spring constant, this is for the damping coefficient, this is for the damping coefficient for each shock, and then this is the function to simulate the spring mass system using Euler's method, and this is the parameters for the simulation, and this is the function to print results at 1 second intervals, and this is the results for each damping coefficient. I'm going to use this code, and then in this one there is the code for the results of the critically damped shock. So I'm going to run this one. So on this one, so this is the results for each second in each damping coefficient. This is for the 32,549. This one's for the damping coefficient of 65,099.31. This one's for the 130,198 damping coefficient. This one's for the critically damped shock. As you can see, yeah, that's all the results. That's all that I'm going to explain. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.